Hello friends, welcome you to my channel once again. I've come with another review and unboxing video. So this is as you can see here, Sunsonny Bluetooth keyboard. So this is for all devices, Windows, Macs and Android. It works with all devices and it has Bluetooth 3.0 connection support. So as you can see, the seat is already broken. So as I've ordered it online and I've sent them message and I've complained them about the situation. So I think the product has already been opened. So I'm sorry for that. And as you can see from the outside, it looks like this. So this is one of the very reasonable priced Bluetooth keyboard. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's keep it away, and this is the Bluetooth device. As you can see, so check it out. That's all in the cover. So here it is, some user manuals and papers with instructions. So I think it won't be very hard for me to use this. And let's go through the device. So it comes with a pair of battery in itself, which we have to put it in the keyboard. So about the battery, I think it has mentioned somewhere here about the battery. Yeah. So I think they haven't any given detail about the battery. I think it's as you know, another Bluetooth device, we can use it I think 1 year or more. So this is it. The keyboard is so it's quite heavy. It's a little heavy, you know? It feels like it is made of a metal with its weight, but you know, this is a plastic, but it's pretty heavy. So this is how the keyboard looks like, and it has the grip here for you know, stabilizing it, the keyboard. And here is the on-off switch here. And for the battery, we have to unlock this case, we have to push it to the left side, and here it is the battery space. And they have another switch here. I think this is for Bluetooth pairing. So yeah, the keyboard is a little heavy, and it's nothing much included in the keyboard. So this is the keyboard, and it has the key. It's different than other Bluetooth keyboard, that the key is somewhere, you know, there is a little shallow line between the keys. So I think it is made for the typing purpose. So other than that, all the keys are placed in the exact place. And here's the brand name, Sunsonny. So better if you buy a reasonable keyboard with brand than you know, random Bluetooth cheap keyboards. So that would be a good idea. And so it supports iOS, Android and Windows. So this is it. Let's go and connect this keyboard with our computer. Okay, welcome back again. So now we'll pair the device with the computer. So for that, I'll open the battery case and we'll put the battery in. So after you put in the battery, you'll have to close the cover, and after that I will turn on the Bluetooth switch, keyboard power switch. So after you you know, turn on the Bluetooth keyboard, this keyboard, and you'll have to press this power button for like 3 to, I don't know, 5 seconds that the light is started to blink. So now you can connect your Bluetooth device with keyboard with your computer. So let's go in see in the computer. Okay, now we're going to connect our keyboard with our computer. So first of all, I will open the so since I have already turned on the keyboard, so it is showing me to you know, connect with my computer. So I'll have to put this code inside in the computer. So 545104 and return. So as you can see, my keyboard is already connected. So if I go to here and open my Bluetooth preferences, as you can see here, the Bluetooth keyboard is already paired. So this is it. Let's go and see how it works. So yeah, it's working perfectly. So if I caps lock it, the caps lock is also working. So yeah, with my Mac it works perfectly. So sorry, I don't have PC to check it whether it works in PC or not. So thanks guys for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe and support. Thank you, and see you in next video.